Hello, good morning. I am Charles from Arbeneva, and I hope that everyone is well and is doing fine so that we'll be able to soundly understand my topic. This time, my topic is all about lightning and thunder. Bear with me as I did you guys feel it? My house got hit by lightning. Kidding aside, let's go to the next slide. Who doesn't know here what is lightning and thunder? That is almost an impossibility. So not knowing what lightning and thunder is, in this time and age, is an impossibility. Since we live in a tropical and maritime country, it is expected that we definitely have experienced, encountered, or seen lightning. With the time and duration that we have lived on this planet, definitely we should have encountered, experienced, or heard of it. So, what is lightning? Lightning is a naturally occurring electrostatic discharge that occurs when two electrically charged areas in the atmosphere or ground suddenly equalize, resulting in the rapid release of up to 1 billion joules of energy, while thunder is the sound produced by lightning discharges. Lightning warms the airs in its route, causing a significant overpressure inside its channel. The channel extends supersonically into the surrounding area as a shock wave, resulting in thunder. While thunderstorm is a powerful, brief meteorological disturbance characterized by lightning, thunder, dense clouds, heavy rain or hail, and strong, gusty winds. And now that we know what is lightning and thunder, let us move on to how it is formed. Lightning is simply a massive spark that occurs within a cloud or between a cloud and in the ground. Because of microscopic collision between ice particles within the cloud, lightning flashes and a charge builds. And when a lightning strikes the ground, it first appears as what is called a step ladder. It is a channel that develops or steps from the base of the cloud towards the ground, and as it steps towards the ground, it eventually links up to form a whole channel. While the lightning flash that you see is the result of what is called the return stroke. And before I continue, let us first entertain ourselves with a quick view of trivia and facts about lightning creates heat hotter than the sun. The surface of the sun is estimated to be at least 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. However, a lightning strike can reach up to 50,000 degrees Fahrenheit, meaning the heat the lightning causes and produces is at least 5 times greater than the star's surface temperature. If we get hit by it, we will definitely not live unscathed, so we must be careful. And technically, lightning itself doesn't have a temperature. So technically, those 50,000 degrees are actually the temperature of the air or other materials as the lightning passes through it. The bolt itself is a movement of electrical charges, and for that reason, it does not actually have a temperature on itself. Technically, technically, lightning is simply the movement of electrical charges, hence it has no temperature. Well, if you are wondering what is the movement of electrical charges is, the movement of electrical charges is what produces electricity in magnetism. It is something like a force field, so it doesn't create any temperature. And lightning can strike the same place twice or more. It is a myth that lightning never strikes the same place twice. Not only that, but some places like tall buildings or areas with particularly conductive topography can see dozens or even hundreds of lightning strikes. And for instance, the Empire State Building is reportedly struck by lightning roughly 23 times per year, meaning it is actually being hit by lightning multiple times. And whomever said that lightning won't strike twice or more in the same place is definitely messing with your heads. Why? Simply because nature does not discriminate. It will hit you if it will hit you. So be careful. So why don't we call this lightning and thunder a lightning storm. Well, it is called thunderstorm because thunderstorm always have lightning, and thunder is created by lightning, and you can't have thunderstorm without lightning. Yet, lightning may exist in the absence of thunderstorm. So, having this in mind, it is called thunderstorm and not lightning storm. A thunder is the sound produced by lightning. Depending on the distance and type of lightning, it can range from a protracted, deep rumbling to a rapid, deafening crack. It is, it is the sound or acoustic noise created from lightning, and it happens after the lightning. While a thunderstorm is a storm composed of thunder and created by a cumulonimbus cloud, generally accompanied by rain and occasionally hail, sleet, freezing rain, or snow, while thunder is the sound produced by the discharge of an electric charge in the atmosphere. In essence, thunderstorm is a combination of lightning and thunder, meaning there is lightning and thunder happening at once. Moving forward, we have the facts and hazards of lightning and thunder. Facts about lightning. While the flashes we see as a result of a lightning strike travel at the speed of light at about 670 million miles per hour, while an actual lightning strike travels at only about 270 miles per hour. This means it would take about 55 minutes to travel to the moon from Earth, or vice versa. While the hazard is, it is a potentially life-ending phenomenon. And please don't stand near a tree during a thunderstorm, because about 240,000 incidents regarding lightning strike happen globally each year. And according to the National Geographic, annually about 2,000 people are killed worldwide by lightning. And when lightning strikes sand or sandy soil, it fuses together with the grains to create a small light tube known as polyrite. They are not only prized by collectors, they are also of great scientific value in demonstrating past occurrence of lightning storms. Also, in the recent research from the Met Office revealed that helicopters can cause an isolated lightning strike. While flying, the helicopter acquires a negative charge. So, if it flies close to an area that is positively charged, for example, a hill or the base of a cumulonimbus cloud, it could trigger a lightning strike. A hail or the base of a cumulonimbus cloud, it can trigger a lightning strike, and there are around 44 strikes of lightning every second. Lightning is one of nature's most recurrent and common spectacles. In the world, there are over 3 million flashes every day. That's around 44 strikes of lightning every second, or about 1,400,000,000 thousands every year. That's wrap up our lightning, facts, and hazards. Moving forward to thunder. Facts and hazards about thunder. Thunder is the sounds caused by lightning. The intense heat from lightning causes the surrounding air to rapidly expand and create a sonic wave that you hear as thunder. And the intense heat from lightning causes the surrounding air to rapidly expand and create a sonic wave that you hear as thunder. And the sound of thunder can be anything from a loud crack to a low crumble. Light travels faster than sound, so we see lightning before we hear thunder. The speed of light travels faster than the speed of sound. Therefore, we see lightning before we hear thunder. And the closer you are to the thunder strike, the shorter the gap between the lightning and thunder. And actually, majority of people are scared of thunder than the actual lightning. It is maybe because the sound of the thunder is more stimulating than the light itself or the lightning itself, since the sound of thunder can be anything from a loud crack to a low rumble. The closer you are in the thunder strike, the the faster and louder the thunder becomes, so it is more stimulating, therefore affecting our psychological process. Moving forward to hazards. It is obvious that thunder is very loud, and depending on the proximity of thunder strike, the faster and the louder it gets. And the loudness of thunder can be expressed in decibels or dB, and the clap of thunder typically registers to about 120 decibels. And the intensity of this 120 decibels is 10 times louder than that of a garbage truck or a pneumonic jackhammer. Just think about it. 10 times louder than a garbage truck. It will definitely destroy your eardrums. In seconds, it can scare or frighten our pets and often paralyzes them. It is definitely a which is which is definitely a big no-no for a pet lover or people with pets because it poses a definite threat to our pets. But fortunately, it only happens sometimes and rarely it doesn't affect them that much and they recover quickly. Actually, the sound of thunder is disturbing our lives and work more than the lightning itself. Because lightning does not create more stimulus than thunder to our psychological processes that causes us to react or be scared to it. And since thunder is sound, it travels in the speed of sound, or about 1,230 kilometers per hour, or about 767 miles per hour. And thunder is a sonic wave. And actually, in the ancient era, thousands of years ago, philosophers such as Aristotle believed that thunder was caused by the collision of clouds rather than the sound of the reaction of lightning itself. And lastly, astrophobia. Astrophobia is the fear of thunder and lightning. So people with fear of thunder and lightning or phobia of thunder and lightning is called astrophobic. And that's conclude my topic, lightning and thunder. Thank you and goodbye.